This tutorial is Adobe Premiere Pro CC export music for YouTube online completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Okay, the first step to export music for YouTube in Adobe Premiere Pro CC is to locate your music or audio piece. In this case, I have this. Now basically you want to click Control plus M. Now basically you want to click Control plus M on your keyboard, and then under Format, click the drop down arrow and scroll down until you see MP3, which is above MPEG 2 and below JPEG 2000 MXF OP1A. And then under the preset, click the drop down arrow and click the third option, which is 256 kbs high quality. Under audio, or the second option next to effects and publish, you can even scroll down, and under audio bitrate, click the drop down arrow, and you can even make this higher quality by clicking 320 kbs, and this is higher than what we currently have. And then locate the output name and then click export, completely for free.